Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to save battery life on an Apple Watch Series 6. This will be a very easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Step number one is to check the battery health of the watch. So to do that, we're going to go to the settings option right here. And this is my wife's Apple Watch, just for full disclosure. So we're in the settings options right here, and we're going to go down to battery. Okay, once you get to battery, you want to click battery and then scroll down to battery health, click battery health, and it's going to tell you what the health of your battery is. If your battery health is lower than a high number, if it's like in the 70s or something, it's going to be hard for you to save battery because the battery will be depleting. But if you have a number like 100%, then it'll still be easy, or doable, I should say, for you to actually save battery life. Number two is make sure that the optimized charging is turned on. So I'm going to scroll down over here and you can see optimized battery charging. It's turned on. You want to make sure that this is turned on for your device because it's going to optimize how the battery charges and give you a longer battery life. Let's go back to the home screen right now. Sorry about that. We'll go back to the home screen just like that. Okay. The third thing is you want to disable background app refresh. So to do that, you're going to go to settings, okay, right there. We're going to go up to general this time, and I'm trying to keep everything on camera. I do apologize if I briefly go off the camera for a moment. We're going to go to general right here, and then background app refresh, we're going to click that and turn it off. If you turn it off, it's going to disable the apps from being refreshed in the background, which is going to save you some battery life. Okay, we're going to go back to the home screen once again. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is turn off sound notifications. So if you swipe up, you're going to, let's go back to the main screen over here. If you swipe up, you're actually going to get to this screen right here, which is sort of like your control center, and you're going to make sure that this is turned off. So you can see sound notifications is turned off on this device. Turning off sound notifications will save some battery life significantly because the sounds do use up a lot of the battery, okay? Number 5 is use a low color watch display. Now, because of the type of display that the Apple Watch Series 6 uses, having colors in your display or having a bright display with a bright background will actually use up more battery life. But having a black background like this, or a low colored display, I should say, with a darker background will use less battery life. It will save battery life. So that's what you want to do. And then last but not least is number 6, which is just to generally minimize the functions of the Apple Watch. The more functions that are turned on, the more battery will be drained from the watch. So by minimizing the functions, you're reducing the functionality of the watch, but you're saving battery life. What I recommend is that you go through all of the functions that you have turned on and all of the features that you have turned on, figure out which ones you don't use regularly and turn them off. At the end of the day, your watch will be a little bit less functional, but you're going to greatly reduce your battery. You're going to greatly increase and extend your battery life and reduce how much battery the watch uses when you're actually using it without it being charged. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.